Hello, and thank you for choosing the Inogen At Home stationary concentrator. This short video will help you set up your new Inogen at home. When setting it up for the first time, you will want to set the concentrator up near an electrical outlet. If you have not yet unpacked your box, you may want to pause this video and do so now. Be careful not to throw anything away yet. Please read the enclosed user manual in its entirety before using the concentrator. Getting started with the Inogen at home is easy and requires no additional tools or expertise. Now that you have unpacked all the contents from the box, you have everything you need to get set up. For illustration purposes, the Inogen at home is placed on a table. However, you may place the concentrator in a convenient location anywhere in your home. Place the concentrator in a well-ventilated location. Air intake and exhaust must have clear access. Ensure that the concentrator is at least 6 inches away from walls, furniture, and curtains that could impede adequate airflow to the device. Ensure that the particle filter is in place. Do not operate the concentrator without the particle filter in place. Particle filter requires cleaning once a week using mild liquid detergent and water. Now connect one end of your oxygen supply tubing to the nozzle fitting. The nozzle fitting is located on the top of the concentrator. Next, attach the swivel connector to the other end of the oxygen supply tubing. Now, attach your nasal cannula to the other side of the swivel connector. Attach the power cord to the back of the concentrator and plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Turn on the concentrator by pressing the on-off button. A single short beep will sound and all indicator lights will illuminate for a few seconds. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the device to the prescribed setting. There are 5 flow settings from 1 liter per minute to 5 liters per minute. The current setting can be viewed on the display. The green LED will remain flashing until the unit warms up and the set flow rate of oxygen is achieved. You may begin breathing from the device. The required oxygen concentration is normally reached within 5 minutes after device is powered on. Adjust the nasal cannula so that it is properly aligned on your face. Turn off the concentrator by pressing the on-off button when not in use. Congratulations, you're all set up. If you have any questions, we're here for you and just a phone call away. Our normal business hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time, but we're also on call 24 hours a day in the case of emergencies. Call us on your dedicated customer care hotline number found on the label attached to the front of the concentrator case.